Hey everyone, it's Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in this look, just stay tuned. Alright, so we're starting off with a purple, putting it on the inside of our crease and just packing on the color, and then we'll blend out later. Then we're going to pack on pink, and then we're going to blend. So now we're going to cut our crease, and this is going to be the first cut that we're going to do. And we're going to pack on these shimmer shades, and then we're going to cut again. Now it's time for the second cut. And we're going to add purple and pink to that part of our lid. Now it's time to cut for the last time. And then we're going to pack the shimmer shades on once again. So we're going to add pink to our lower lash line, and then purple, and blend out. And baby, you are done. So I know in my makeup videos I never show my foundation routine, but I'm still trying to perfect it. So just give me some time to perfect it, and then I'll make a video about it. So I do have a video on how I achieve these braids. I will leave it in the description below. Also guys, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I already made my goal on Instagram, so now I just have to make my goal on here. So make sure that you share, like, comment on my videos so that I can get the traffic that I need. Once I get to 100 subscribers, then I will be having a giveaway, so y'all just stay tuned for that. Again, thank you for watching, and like, comment, share, and subscribe.